Hello, Gearspace. This is Tom from Verbos Electronics. We are a modular synthesizer brand here in Berlin, based. And I want to talk a bit about our new systems that we recently started to ship and have announced. This here is the performer configuration. It starts with the harmonic oscillator, the amp and tone, two multiples, complex oscillator, and another amp and tone. So the voice section, you have two of our complex monolith, like massive voice modules in conjunction with two VCAs, ending with the output mixer, our scan and pan module, with panning, CV control, the works. All these modules here have been out for a number of years, but we wanted to create three configurations that kind of would speak to certain users that have been familiar with our products for quite some time. On the bottom row, we have the CV row, as we call it. It's 104 HP of our CV sculpting suite of modules. We have the voltage multi-stage, which can be for sequencing, creating complex LFOs or envelopes, sequence selector, control voltage processor as kind of a CV sculpting tool for the rest of the modules here, an envelope, and our random sampling module. We're here now with the designer configuration here. It shares the CV row like the performer configuration, but the top row is quite a bit different. We have, again, the harmonic oscillator in the upper left, but we have the foundation oscillator amp and tone combination here. These modules were announced in, I guess, 2019, I believe, previous NAM. So this is the first time it's entered the system environment. The designer configuration, I think, is more for the artist that wants a hybrid experience, like something that you can take to a gig, or it can be used in the studio. Hence the name producer configuration. It has the multi-delay. It's our 8-tap spatial effects unit. It excels at feedback, has built-in pitch shifting and reverb, CV inputs, preset outputs, and also we have the noise and filter module, which is a fixed 4-band frequency module where you can just send in certain various signals from the system and distribute the 4 bands of frequency. And I'm with now the designer configuration. This is probably the most unique of the configurations, mostly because it's featuring our very large format mini horse touch controller. We hope this system invites more of a abstract music concrete-y ideas, something like more soundscapey related sounds would hopefully emerge from it. We have the harmonic oscillator up here, the amp and tone, the random sampling, which it has a lot of CV possibilities, but we also have noise, white noise, pink noise, and metallic noise for various washes and whatnot. The multi-delay is an obvious choice for this system, as it's going to add a whole new dimension of effects, by way of the reverb and delay, creating various feedback paths. Again, everything ending with the scan and pan module on all systems as the output mixer. These systems are available worldwide at this point. The cases, I would like to point out, are custom made in Berlin, made to order. They come in this black or wood grain material. The entire systems are starting at around 6,500. They go up from there depending on the options and the different configurations. Thank you.